beautiful Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? I'm smiling and waving to all of you and the fam. Today's episode is gonna be a little bit of fun. A lot of you have asked me, Fumi, how do you get those toned arms? How do you get those shoulders? And today I said, you know what? Absolutely, Fumi Nation, because we've got the outfits together, we've got the makeup, we've got the hair. Let's get the body together. This is also a beautiful shout out to my beautiful plus size sisters. We women come in all shapes, sizes, heights, colors, textures, flavors, spices, and I don't want any one of you to think that you are less beautiful than the other. My plus size sisters, stay plus size. Yes, baby, more of you to love. We're just going to tone all of you all up. Toning makes a difference. It makes a difference in the way that you look. I'm going to be 54. I can't believe it. I'm going to be 54. And when I tell you toning is the secret to looking fabulous, I'm going to break it all the way down for you. We're going to have various exercises. I don't want nobody to be overwhelmed. And guess what, my darlings? You don't even need equipment. You can use the end of your couch. You can use the edge of your chair in the kitchen. You can use the edge of your bed. You can use any edge of a stool even. And you can do dips, because that's what we're going to do. You do dips where you press your shoulders all the way back like so, and you use your own body weight and you lift yourself up and you lift yourself down. You spread your legs right in front and you dip. You can also do the knee dip, which I will show you as well, and I highly recommend that for everybody starting out. You are gonna love this exercise because it works right away. I strongly recommend you do 12. You do 12 repetitions, which means that you go up and down 12 times. Start with that. As a matter of fact, how about this? Do 6 for those of you that are starting out. Do 6 and then do another set of 6. For those of you that are extra courageous and like, you know what, I can do this, you're going to do 3 sets of 12 dips. You can bring your knees in so that it makes it easier for you until you really get used to it, and then start doing your shoulders. You're going to love wearing strapless dresses again. You're going to love wearing t-shirts. You're going to love wearing racer bags. You're going to get rid of bat wings. You're going to look so yummy, and it will really open you out to introducing you ever so gently to a healthier lifestyle. Once you start to see how good you look, I promise you, you're going to want to even look better. You're going to start eating healthier. You're going to start going for walks. If you want me to do that, we'll go for a 30-minute walk. How about that? I'll film it and I'll show you how we go up the hill, come down the hill, because you need efficient exercise. Doesn't take too much of your time. It doesn't wind you. Absolutely not. The key here is consistency. If you stick to consistency, you will be looking up at God and say, thank you, God. I did not know my body was this beautiful. Yes, it's in there. It is absolutely in there. So I want you to enjoy this one exercise without equipment, and you will see the difference. I promise you, you're consistent. You do this 3 times a week, you'll see a difference within a month. You will see a difference within a what? You'll see a difference within a month, my darlings. So let us go out to the sunshine. It's sunny today. I'm so grateful. It's November and we still have sunshine. And I will show you how at 54, I want to say that my arms look toned, and they've looked the best that they've ever been in a long time. Okay, my darlings, you have to understand that Mama modeled in her 20s, which was 30 plus years ago. And I put on weight, I've had a baby, but you know what? You do the right exercise, you will still look gorgeous, my darlings. And I think more than anything, it will give you the confidence. Confidence is everything. I take my exercises seriously because it's my me time. Okay, all of my love, darlings, enjoy this exercise and I will see you very, very soon. Mwah.
Spend another night some problems with your phone. Tell me why you just can't play it honest. You think you have the right, I won't take it anymore. I'm fed up with all your lies. You keep asking for forgiveness. Get ready for a big surprise. I'ma make you feel this one. I'm not sorry. You're such a bad, bad liar. In no hurry, I put your clothes on fire. And I'm not sorry. The flames keep climbing higher, burning in the night. I put your clothes on fire. I put your clothes on fire. I'm throwing out your kiss with the trash, saying wash. Yeah, you're begging on your knees. They say I am in a rush. Tell me why I just can't play it honest. You think you got it right, but my heart is freezing cold. I'm fed up with all your lies. You keep asking for forgiveness. Get ready for a big surprise. I'ma make you feel this one. I'm not sorry. You're such a bad, bad liar. In no hurry, I put your clothes on fire. And I'm not sorry. The flames keep climbing higher, burning in the night. I put your clothes on fire, baby. Yeah. It's a little too late for love. Yeah, 'cause the spark is gone forever. Yeah. Now this is not a joke. It goes up in smoke. I'm tearing up the stuff you love the most. I'm not sorry. You're such a bad, bad liar. In no hurry, I put your clothes on fire. And I'm not sorry. Flames keep climbing higher, burning in the night. I put your clothes on fire. I'm not sorry. You're such a bad, bad liar. In no hurry, I put your clothes on fire. And I'm not sorry. Flames keep climbing higher, burning in the night.
I call up the doctor. I asked him if he got a clue. What's wrong with my heartbeat? I'm stumbling like a fool.